And a look at the radar to start, because we've been looking at a little bit of moisture, but it hasn't been reaching the ground. I had talked about that earlier. At least it appears not. Right now you can see really nice visibility across the region. Let me show you right now just a couple of little splotches on radar as we take it back into motion. You'll see we had a little bit, for example, Melfa right directly over top of there, and when I checked the Melfa airport readings, never saw anything down at the ground. So a couple of spots, maybe you saw a very brief sprinkle or one or two isolated snowflakes, but in general, nothing at all. Just some breezy, cold conditions, although right now it is calm as the wind's getting ready to pick up behind this last little bundle of energy that's moving through. So continued clearing, breezy, cold tonight. Winds actually by morning gusting up over 25 miles per hour. And look at those temperatures, freezing or below freezing in a lot of spots. And in fact, many areas will make it into the upper 20s tomorrow. So pretty hard frost out there in the morning. Notice the westerly wind continues during the day. And as a result of some of that chillier air that came out of Canada originally and is now blowing into the region, we're going to struggle tomorrow to get much over 50. I think we'll be about 51 or so. Notice early Saturday, same thing we talked about earlier. And maybe a lot like today, in that not all of this will reach the ground, but during the day Saturday, a few isolated showers, maybe a brief mixed shower. But now let's talk about the bigger storm that's coming in behind that one for Sunday into Monday. This is the European model, and when they run at one time, this is what it looks like, or when they ran at one time. It shows rain, and that's it, and that's only for part of our area before the system moves out. When they ran it, 30 or whatever, 40 times, whatever it is, then they got an average, and it brought the rain line back up a little closer here into central Virginia. So I think there's a pretty good chance that we will see some precipitation. And in fact, the American model is showing that as well. Notice the rain snow line, though, a little bit of mixed precipitation by Sunday afternoon. Well west of us, we keep the snow out in the mountains from Roanoke up to Stanton and maybe Charlottesville. And then as the storm moves off and some cold air moves in early in the day Monday, we've been talking about this for a while, chance for a little bit of a mix, especially some of the more inland locations. Here's the first system, though, coming through. Almost all of that was aloft, never made it down to the ground. So continued clearing tonight, anywhere from around 27 to 32. Tomorrow 51, mostly sunny, breezy and chilly, and then tomorrow night 34, a flurry or sprinkle possible late. And then a few isolated stray showers possible during the day Saturday as well. Notice those temperatures, though, by afternoon up to 53. And then we're looking at only 42 Sunday with rain developing. Possible mix mainly north and west early Monday or during the day Monday as that system moves out. And then we get back to close to 50 again Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Thanks, Jeff.